Hi guys, good morning. I thought it'd be fun to take you through a little day in my life today. As you just saw, I had my athletic greens. I've been taking it every morning, first thing, I think for over, I don't know how many months, but since last January, so almost a year. And it gives me so much energy, I really like it. And then typically for breakfast, I'll make a smoothie after that. But now that it's a bit colder in Montreal, I've been loving making oatmeal every day. So I'll show you guys how I make that really quick. And then after that, I was thinking of doing a quick little Revolve haul. I want to take you guys to an event later and boxing. So yeah, just excited to be back, and I'm going to take you guys along with me today. Okay, so here's everything that I put into my oatmeal every day. This is my favorite brand. It's called 1 Degree. I used to get this from Costco with my mom over the years, and then now I can't seem to find it in most grocery stores, but they do have certain online stores like Nature Santé or Natura Market where I can find this. So I order it just because I like it so much. I prefer this over the ones that I find in the store. And then I add in some dates, some raisins, cinnamon, banana, a pinch of salt, and some water. And I'll show you the toppings after. Okay, so once you get your water boiling, you throw in 1/3 cup of oats. And then I'll add in a little pinch of salt. There we go. And then you just want to give that a quick stir. And usually what I'll do is I'll throw in the dates and the raisins and the banana right away, just because I like it to melt in. It's so good. So I'll show you guys what I mean. Once everything's in there, you just want to wait until all the water evaporates, and I usually keep the heat on like relatively low. You just have to wait for the right consistency. I like mine not too liquidy. So there you go. This is hard to do with one hand. Oh my god. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. And now I'm about to put on some toppings. I threw in some hemp seeds, some wild frozen blueberries, cinnamon, bananas, peanut butter, and then I'm gonna eat that with this nice lemon water. And yeah, let me know if you guys try it. It's really good, trust me. Alright, so I'm about to head out the door in a couple minutes. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing because I got some new pieces in the mail. And then I'm heading over to Point Zero, which is downtown Montreal on St. Catherine. They're launching a bunch of fall coats and jackets, and they're going to be gifting a couple of them to us, which is really nice. So I'll take you guys along with me, and I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this t-shirt from Cath, and I'm obsessed with their stuff. I literally have this t-shirt in like 4 colors now, and I've already worn this one a couple times and washed it, and it's just so soft, and it goes with everything, so I love it. And then I was looking for some green cargo pants. Let me see if I can show you. So yeah, I found these recently, and the length is good. They're not too high-waisted or low-waisted or on the waist, which I love. So yeah, I just need to figure out what I'm gonna put on top, because it's not that cold out today, but it's a little gloomy, so we'll see. I just got home and I wanted to show you guys the 2 pieces that they gifted me. So I have this really nice, what do you call this, like a fleece jacket, and this green vest, and I don't own any vests like this. Let me just show you the inside. It's super cozy and soft. So I got 2 men's pieces. This is a large and then this one's a medium, I think. And when I put it on in the store, I was like, wow, my outfit looks much better with this than the other jacket I had on today. So I'm gonna put them back on just to show you how it looks. But yeah, I don't know if you guys are like this, but I love shopping at the men's section. And Point Zero had really nice stuff. So if you're in Montreal and you wanna check them out, they're on St. Catherine. Okay, so this is what I was wearing earlier. I just wanna show you guys what the jackets look like layered on together. I think this would be so cute for like a cottage weekend or something before it gets too cold, although I have to say this is like really hot actually. So yeah, what do you guys think? I wasn't sure about the green on green, but the girl in the store was like, no, like it looks really good together and you could always style it with like darker pants or something else. And I can also wear this on its own or just layer on this vest with something else. But I really like it. So let me know what you guys think. And I also wanted to do a Revolve haul for you guys, but I'm like pretty tired. I just walked all the way back home from downtown and I have boxing tonight, so I'll do that another day. But let me know if there's anything else that you guys want to see, by the way, because I'm really excited to get back into this. But yeah, I think next thing I'll do is bring you guys to boxing and maybe do some cooking tonight or something, and then that'll be it. So I just got home from the gym. I took a nice shower and I'm just gonna do a little bit of my skincare routine.